I left my pain in the booth, my heart up in the street. I swear to God, I'ma make it out the hood one day. And it's crazy how these niggas wanna ride the way. No, I want that fake love, you can keep it away. I'ma make it out the hood. I'ma show 'em how a young is supposed to do it. Look at your son, mama, he out here doing his thing. When I needed a hand, nobody helped me. Shawty said that she was with me, hold me down and don't forget me. Ain't no time for no forgiveness, can't get caught up in my feelings.
What's up, YouTube? So today, I'm gonna do another Mexi Crate. You know, yesterday was Cinco de Mayo, so I gotta come back with another Mexi Crate. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Cause I did with the Migos and the Mexicans and all them. I mess with y'all. You know, we ain't stunning none of that way. You know who I'm talking about? A nobody. But yeah, we finna go ahead and start this video now. Alright, so let's get started. Oh. Oh, it's not even nothing. But usually on the other ones, it tell you where they come from. And I didn't know until the other day. So I got one from Tijuana. And I don't remember where I got the other one from. But yeah. I really think this a gift because I ain't buy this. I didn't buy it at all. It's different stuff, so yeah. The first one is Calorindas. It's a sucker with chili powder on it. We're gonna see what that's about. We're gonna see what that's about. Excuse my finger. I wonder, like, how can y'all eat this salty sucker? Like, it tastes like sweat. It's another one. This is it's a chocolate marshmallow. I ate this in one of the other videos. I ain't like it. I'll eat it again for y'all since y'all the game. I just don't like the marshmallow feeling. So I did. It's nasty. I chew it. I spit it back out. So that ain't for me. That ain't for me. This is called a pulparindo. Oh, it's hot and salted pulp candy made with real fruit. I can believe that because y'all be playing. I ate a cake. I went to R.P. Allen. I went to this boy named Allen, where I grew up with. We went to one of his birthday parties. He had what you call it? Peaches in his birthday cake. Me and my cousins, we was like, what? But they ate it. I ain't eat it. It don't taste bad. It's sweet. It just tastes like it been on the cabinet. Been on the cabinet for like 3 years. This is called Revolcaditas with chili mango. Chili mango. I don't like mango. And Whenever he say chili, the candy gonna taste like salt. That's what I'm thinking. This y'all done melted in the box. It must be hot outside. See? Salty. Well, it smells good. Like if that chili powder went on there, it'll be good. That's what I'm thinking right now. So well, I already ate one of them, of each one of them. This is called Mr. Wafer. Everybody know what this is. It's the vanilla. It's like a vanilla wafer, but chocolate. Know what I mean? I had another kind. It was a different. It's in the red pack though. It came from my first Mexi Crate box. Exactly what it tastes like, a vanilla wafer covered in chocolate. I'll pick it up. I'm gonna pick it up after the video. Dang, see, I should have said, okay. I know they gonna want this. Y'all remember my other cousins from the last video, we was talking about this, but it's another one. But I know they gonna want this. I'm gonna give it to them. Inside. Oh, this comes with a spoon. This is called Lucas Bombesa. Hot candy with chewing gum. Oh, I love chewing gum. Why they don't got it in Spanish? I think chewing gum. I think gum is chicoleta in Spanish. But don't quote me because I ain't trying to be racist. I dropped it. All right, Mom? This is the stuff. Nasty. So, I'm just gonna taste the bubble gum. I don't like it. I only gave me one. Oh, they gave me some more sugar. Mango, red avocado. Doing my video.
How you doing?
Yeah. This is hazelnut and vanilla. It's like the pink one and the chocolate one, but it's hazelnut and vanilla. Duveline. I'm tasting the white side first. just ruined my day. Here's another one. More Mr. Wafer. Salsa Yeti. Salsa Yeti. Extra spicy. Spicy chamoy flavored hot candy strips and tamarind flavored sauce. Let's taste it. Oh, it comes with sauce that you put on it. Yeah. Real sauce. Let me taste it without it first. Taste the noodles. Boy, that's hot. Okay, I'm back. That joint's too hot. Now I gotta taste it with this sauce. Dip it in it. I had to spit it out. No. What do y'all be eating over there, honey? And Takis. I ate Takis before, so I eat them for y'all. Best thing in the box. All on nasty. Except for the Takis. And it was something else too. It was alright. This right here, if you ain't have that hot, it'll be good. This was good, Mr. Wafer. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on this video. Tell a friend, tell your sister, baby, dad, cousin. Thank you.